Are you ready to take your stream processing to the next level? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of testing your stream processing query locally using Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Install ASA extension and open ASA job in VS Code. Navigate to the Extensions Marketplace and search for Stream Analytics. Click Install to add the extension to your VS Code. Open your ASA job in the Azure portal. Select Query from the side menu. At the top of the query editor, click Open in VS Code. Follow the prompts to select a storage folder on your machine for the ASA project. Once complete, you'll see your ASA job opened in the VS Code Explorer. Step 2. Preview input data and edit ASA query. To preview your input data, just open the JSON file in the Inputs folder and click on Preview at the top. This opens a new window showing the incoming data from the input source. Open the script file and you start making edits to your query. VS Code has IntelliSense feature that provides intelligent code completion, suggesting function names, variable names, and other contextual information. You can select Simulate Job to see a visual representation of your job's running topology and check if your query is running a parallel job. If your ASA job is not running in parallel, you can select Enhancement and improve your query according to the provided suggestions. Step 3. Test and run ASA job locally. After you've finished making edits to your query, select the Run Locally button or simply hit the Play button to run the ASA job on your local machine. Choose the Use Live Input and Local Output Run mode. This will process the real-time data from your live input and save the output results in the Output folder. Now, click the Run button and watch your job in motion. You see a new window pops up, showing the running status of your job. You can observe job metrics and output results through the logical diagram. You can also find the output results in the Outputs folder. To submit your query changes to Azure, click the Submit to Azure button. You can update an existing ASA job or create a new one. Select your subscription and find the job name for the submission. Then click Submit to update your changes to Azure. Congratulations! You've learned how to test streaming queries with real-time data on your own computer using the ASA extension in VS Code. With this tool, you can explore various temporal and built-in functions to process your real-time data, thereby taking your stream processing skills to the next level.